Planning a move from Towson to Ellicott City? Even though this is an in-state Maryland move, your final moving cost can still depend on your home size, moving needs, and how prepared you are before moving day. Towson and Ellicott City are not extremely far apart, but movers still factor in mileage, travel time, fuel, truck use, and how long the crew is needed from start to finish. A small apartment usually costs less than a larger home because there are fewer boxes, furniture pieces, and heavy items to move. More rooms often mean more labor, more truck space, and more time. For local and nearby moves, labor time is one of the biggest pricing factors. The number of movers, loading time, unloading time, and setup needs can all affect the estimate. Packing services can be useful if you have a busy schedule, fragile items, or not enough time to box everything yourself. Movers can help with packing materials, wrapping, and careful handling, but this may add to the total cost. Stairs, elevators, tight hallways, apartment rules, limited parking, or a long walk from the truck can make the move take longer. The easier the access, the smoother the moving day usually goes. If you have a piano, safe, antique furniture, oversized sofa, gym equipment, or delicate electronics, mention it before booking. These items may need extra equipment, more movers, or special handling. Weekends, holidays, summer dates, and end-of-month moves can fill up quickly. Planning early gives you more time to compare movers and choose a schedule that works better for your budget. Before choosing a mover, ask what is included in the quote. Check for labor, truck fees, transportation, fuel, packing supplies, basic coverage, and any possible extra charges. The lowest price is not always the best option. Look for clear communication, dependable scheduling, proper equipment, and experience with Maryland moves like Towson to Ellicott City. To keep things moving smoothly, label boxes by room, clear walkways, reserve parking if needed, and keep your essentials separate so they are easy to find when you arrive. For more details about Towson to Ellicott City moving costs and helpful relocation guidance, visit 3movers.com and read the full guide.